Good morning, kids. You guys are getting so big. You're waiting for me to give you some food, right? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, you're eager to get some of this. Yeah. Here you go. Oh, the big girl's out here checking you out. Yeah. Big kids. Big kids. There's a Buff, a Welsummer, and you, Miss, are a Barred Plymouth Rock.